So password ni admin and the username is admin, na pia unaweza change. Ukikilika hapa unaweza change password, utaweka username admin, then password, new password, na confirm that. So hii ndio the system dashboard. So kuna mahali ya data entry, hizi button zote ni za data entry. System setting ni hapa, then print merit list, import marks, enter marks, you can import or you can enter, then publish exam. So for publish, you are either saving the exam as midterm or end term. So for this case we have let's add teacher. So here you write all the name of the teacher. So let's say Mr. Daniel. So once I enter Mr. Daniel, I save that. So in this you are required to enter all the teachers that are in that school. Then streams, so you list the number of stream, maybe grade 8A, then you after listing all the teachers, you'll be able to, all the teachers will be displayed here, so you'll be able to search for the class teacher for that case, for that class or that grade or stream. So then you save. So when you are saving the class teacher, it will direct you to where you have kept your signature. For this, mine is here. I have the signature here for the class teacher. I will just select that and open. So it will import the signature. That is how you add the class. That is, you add the stream or the grade and also the signature. This button here is for edit. Maybe you want to edit, you can check here, maybe roll number 2, and you search, it will bring here. So you can update this or delete. So add student. So for student you can import. For example, when you try to import, it will say, for the example, select the class, then import. So it will give you some direction here, what you are required to do. Yes, so you are required to put your list in Excel format with header, admission, stream name, on a sheet name, student. So if you have that, for this case I don't have that list. So that is how you add student. You can add student one by one. So let's check. In this grade 6 we have 8 students. So let's add one student in grade 8 or in grade 6. Say admission 1 stream that says grade 6A. Let's just write the names, then say it is a female, then we save. So it will save the name of student, all the details, that is gender, the name, stream, admission, like that. If you want to update, maybe the name of this learner is it is incorrect, so you can come here, you select the class and you search. So you select the class and also you enter the number, the student registration number of that learner, then you search. So the information will be edited here, be able to search that. So So now let's add subject teacher. So subject teacher, let's go to maybe grade 6. Just say maybe grade 6. Then let's select the subject teacher. So once you have added all the teacher will be displayed here. So your work is just to select the stream and also the class and the subject teacher, then you save. It will save. So once it is saved, this class teacher, the subject teacher, will be displayed on the report form. So each subject teacher, yes, so it has saved that. Then exam type, you can say end term, either mid term or combine, like that. So that is it. So then add, for this phone number you will add that depending on the runner. So for example, grade 8, you just select the grade, then you say admission 120, maybe 135. When you search, it is not there. So let's go to grade 6. Or yes, grade 6 we have learners. Say whether we have admission 120. So once you enter the correct admission number, the student name will appear automatically, and you'll be able to write the phone number and save. For fee balances also, you will be able, for this case you just import, you import fee balance. You just select the class, maybe grade 6, import. So fee, it will tell you, you ensure that you have your list in Excel format with the head, admission name, balance on the sheet name, fee balances. So you will be able to do that. So then for photo, you can upload photo, upload logo. So you just select where you have kept your logo. Mine, let me find it. So I have logo here. I just select this or this for the neck, and I use that. So remember that this logo will be displayed in the report form. The school stamp, you can upload it. Let me find the school stamp. So I have some tab, let me select that. So that is how you enter the school. Then head teacher signature, yes, you just I have signature here. Let me select this. This is the head teacher signature. Then update school details. So here you just write the name, maybe Vision Comprehensive School, PO Box, maybe Kenya, like that. Once you edit all the details, you just click save. So it will save the changes, and these changes will be displayed in your report form. So another thing we shall look is the exam date, that is assessment comment. No, you can, if the student are paying fee, you can set next term fee. So you just write the name of the bursar, then PP1 are paying more than PP2, like that, up to grade 9. Then assessment comment, in Kiswahili you can view them. Add exam. So here you select the year, then term, then you select the type of exam. It will be open, end term, mid term, like that. then the date here, you edit closing date and opening date. Remember, this information will be displayed in your report form, so then you will be able to save the changes and close. Then we have this one, delete marks. So if you want to delete marks for all grades, you say yes. So this, no, this is for resetting password, so that one is. Then here you can customize marks entry. So for example, if you want to enter marks by stream, you just order by stream. If you want to enter marks by admission, you will order by admission. So for example, when you click that, it will order the information according to the admission, so like that. Then let's go to mark list. Let's generate maybe for grade 6. Grade 6 is in upper primary. This grade 6, and generate. So it is generated. It will be saved in the, so you can see it create a folder called mark sheet. This is the folder the system create. So you go to grade 6, and if we open that, so this is the grade 6. So the total number of students, this is the student that we have added recently, this one. So you can see, so you will give this to the teacher so that they can enter the score, the mark score here, and later you add it to the system. Then you have add marks or enter marks. So here you select the class, maybe grade 6, then you click generate score. It will tell you the number of students in that class. So once you click OK, you can see the number of students. So the number of students, so here you select the subject. So you can see the recent student who is admission 136 has no marks. So you just put marks like this, maybe. Yes. So once you are through, you just click post. Then you go to the next subject. You add the marks and you post like that. Then after entering marks, you come and publish. So you want to publish as midterm or end term. So you save as midterm, for example. Let's go to grade 6. Yes, we click there. It will take some few minutes, maybe 1 minute to save that. 1 minute. So it is through. Let's close. Now let's publish as also as end term, so that because we want two exams to be displayed in the report form, so you are required to save as midterm and also to save as end term. So this is the grade 6. Let's save it end term. So it is through. Then you can generate the merit list. So we have a polite reminder here, so you can see that. So let's select for grade 6. Let's generate that and save it in our desktop. Then the last thing, so close. So merit list, you can see it here. We'll save it in so you can see the merit list. Remember that this student, we didn't enter the marks. So for the rest of the student, you have, this is the grade 6 merit list, like it will look like this. So a very good merit list. So then can go to generate photo now. Let's go to overall analysis for grade 6. Let's generate that. So it is done. So this is analysis. So it create a folder called analysis, then you open. After opening, you will see the analysis. So the number of the learners, so you can see the student details that we edit. Then you can see the learning area of champions, and also have the learning area, the learning area champions, and also the learning area mean. So that is it. Then the mean, grade mean, and see the mean, and also the rank. So let's go to report card, generate report card. Yes. So before you generate report card, you are required to order by admission. So for this case, let's order grade 6. We are using the grade 6. You order that. So then we generate. If you want to generate as PDF, you just click grade 6 PDF. If you are connected to the printer, you just you click grade 6 to print all the report form for all the learners. Print single. So this case, if I want to print single, I come here, then I search one learner, then I generate. So the learner will be saved in the desktop. In the desktop, that is where we have the learner. So let's close. So if you have for this learner, that is Daniel, you can see how the report form look. You can see the school details here. Is the school details, the logo which we select, grade 6. You can see the marks. Yes, this is the marks, the average, that is mid-term marks, mid-term marks, end-term marks. Let me zoom it so that it can be clear. So we have the school details here, then the grade 6, the student details, then learning areas, then mid-term, end-term marks, then average of that, then performance level, then the facilitator, in this case they are the teachers, then you can see the total marks. This is the mark, or then graphical result representation, it is there, then the class teacher name, and then the comment of that class teacher, and also the signature, head teacher's name, then this is the head teacher's name, then comment, then closing date, opening date, then fee balance. For this case we did not enter, then total fee payable, and also the name of the clerk on the bursar. Then this is the signature. no, the stem we selected. So once you select, the stem will be displayed here. So that is it. So then also about this system, we have some information. For any help, you just contact the developer. For this case, I have my number here, a WhatsApp number, phone number, and also the email. Then about the system, this is all about the system. You can also create a backup of this information of this system. For to know more about this, you can go to Innovate Genius. Just go to YouTube Innovate Genius, you can see that. So we also have this 3 button. This one you have refresh. So that is one. You can see the number of students here. Once you refresh, it updates the data. Then factory reset. This one it allows all the data. If you want to, you have received this system and you see that it has some student, just factory reset to erase all the data. Then we have, if this one minimize, it will be minimized. So we'll log out. So before you do anything, after adding marks, doing what, you must log out. Log out to ensure that once you click yes, it will automatically save the data that you have entered. So that is how briefly we can use